Hello everyone, myself Amanpal Chaudhary, student of TKW Institute of Banking and Finance. So today we'll be discussing about the virtual learning, that how we can learn from virtual learning. So we'll be first discussing about the definition of virtual learning. Well, virtual learning is nothing but something that we learn outside the school in an online environment that are connecting with various types of online platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, etc. Where we can learn various types of skills. We can learn how to manage the events. We can learn about the communication process, about the listening skills, and various types of other qualities that we can have or get acquired from the virtual learning. So we can learn a lot number of skills from the virtual learning, but one of the most important skills that we learn from the virtual learning is that about digital skills. So about the digital skills that consist of the digital literacy, that consist of about the technical proficiency like using of various types of softwares, about getting collaboration and participation in various types of events and can build on network. We can get in with touch with various types of experiential learning process, as well as about various types of data analytics, and not the least but finally the creation and innovation with various types of scholarship programs that all total helps to lead a get to a digital literacy. So what are the things that we can learn from the digital mode of virtual learning is that it helps us to sharpen the digital skills while increasing your knowledge and skills in where you get. Having digital skills, online learning technology is the most essential phenomenon in today's era. As you continue to learn and study in an online world, you can take and be confident and highly productive using interactive online tools such as Google Classroom that is used for assigning various works, collaborative tools like Google Meet, video presentations, etc. So it is one of the most important tools that we can hire from the virtual mode of learning, and each and every student should hire it. So what are the things, coming back to the topic, what are the things that we can learn or we can acquire from the virtual mode is that, and how we can learn from virtual mode is that by taking initiative like problem solving. We should take initiative of various steps of solving the problem by keeping the mindset of the qualities that I can do it, from converting it to I can't do it. We should always raise hand whenever the possibility of giving answer is there or we find the opportunities. We should always make friends and connections so that it will lead us to solving a problem much more in easier way. We should always keep on learning new opportunities internally, and we should keep focus on facing new challenges, which will ultimately lead us to develop the social skills as well as these are the ways in which we can learn in virtual mode. So finally, how the institute contribute us in developing skills. Well, teachers and students have entered the new world of video, virtual lectures and worksheets, where giving opportunities is one of the major factors that the institute provide to the students. The second thing is that motivation of learning, where the teachers provide motivation to the students to learn and to grow in their career by giving various types of tasks, which helps us in learning various types of creative skills and communication skills, as well as not the least but finally by providing various types of guidance by the faculty, which helps us in fixing our career path into the right steps. So these are the certain things that we can learn from our virtual mode, and how we can learn from our virtual mode. So keep on watching the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for further more videos. Thank you.